this is Dave Bliven, Westchester and Bronx attorney, for another episode of Lessons from the Divorce Wars. So this story is about a client who hired me several years ago to do a paternity case. At the time, he told me, the child's not mine. This person is a coworker of mine. I don't know why she's suing me for paternity. So I went in, I asked the judge for a paternity trial. Judge adjourned the case for a trial. I prepared my client for his testimony, as I should. Show up to the trial, and I put my client on the witness stand. And I say, "Sir, isn't it a fact that you never even had any kind of social relationship with this woman, correct?" Client said, "No, we went out socially." I said, "Okay, but you never actually had any romantic interaction with this person, correct?" My client said, "Well, no, we actually did have some kind of romantic interaction." I said, "Okay, but you didn't kiss her, right?" She said, "Oh, no, we kissed." And then, of course, I was already down the primrose path, so I had to ask the next question. "Okay, you kissed her, but you didn't have sexual relations with her, right?" To which he said, "Yeah, no, we had sexual relations." In which case I turned to the magistrate and said, "Judge, I have no further questions of this witness." Quite understandably, we lost that paternity trial. So I went outside after the trial and I said to the clients, "Gee, your sworn testimony was the absolute complete opposite of everything you told me, both in the lead up to the trial as well as the preparation for your testimony. Why was that?" And I asked him while I got his fiancée on the phone, who also wanted to know, "Hey, how did that paternity trial go?" Well, turns out that was the real reason he wanted to do a paternity trial. He knew he was the father of this child, but he told his fiancée, "I'm not the father, don't know anything about it." So the lesson to draw from this is, be honest with your attorney. Because ultimately, if you give sworn testimony in court and it is false testimony, that is a felony called perjury. You can be prosecuted for that. You can be assessed sanctions and counsel fees if the court finds that you lied under oath. But then if you lie to your attorney and then you get on the witness stand and you actually tell the complete opposite story, then you just wasted your money by doing that trial. So the lesson there is be honest. And ultimately, if you want a good story, a good representation, you need to be straight with your attorney. This is another lesson from the Divorce Wars. Again, Dave Bliven. If you're looking for more advice along these lines, check out my blog. It's blivenlaw.net/blog. Thanks a lot.